Hi, I'm Lee Iridium. Hope you're doing all right today. It's reaction time, and it's Girish and the Chronicles. Man, I love this band. They've got a real sort of following. They've got everyone talking about them. They're on Frontiers now. They deserve everything they've got coming. I really do. So this band are from India, so that makes a change. Usually I say Sweden, but they're from India. They've got an album coming out called Hail to the Heroes, and this is the title track. The album's coming out on February the 11th. This is the third single, I think. The other two were fucking absolutely amazing. I think it was Primeval was the second one, Primeval Desire. And the other one was Lover's Train. Anyway, so this one, like I said, is the title track. I just love this band. They just rock out. They've got a brilliant singer in Girish Pradhan, I think his name is. He is just amazing. His vocals are just immense. You've got Yogesh Pradhan on the bass and the keys. He's the producer as well. Amazing musicians, all of them, like I said. Suraz Sun on the lead guitars, just mental. And Nagan Nags on the drums. These guys are just top class. Are going to produce one of the best albums of the year, I am sure. Frontiers have really done themselves justice here by getting these guys signed. They really have. Like I said, I'm sure they weren't the only label that wanted to sign them, but there you go. Frontiers got there first. So, Hail to the Heroes, Girish and the Chronicles. I can't wait to hear this. Here we go. Stop it there. Always do halfway through. I know it hasn't got to the second chorus yet, but man, I fucking love this, man. It's like they've taken my favourite bands and just mashed it up into a fucking brilliant song that's just bringing back memories after memories for me. This is like a Tesla, Dokken, I don't know, all those bands I loved and made my childhood such a fucking joy living with that music when in the 80s. These have brought it back with a modern production. Absolutely amazing. I love how it's riding along. Don't you love songs that ride along on a bass line like that? And that picky guitar that's going over it. I'll tell you, someone made a comment in another video, in another one I did, the last one, Primeval Desire, that they didn't like his shouty vocals. In that song, it was a heavy song and he was really going for it. I love his vocals, by the way. I think he's one of the best vocalists in the world right now. But this goes to prove through this song, you know, how versatile he is. And, you know, on those verses, he's got such a smooth vocal. But when he needs to rock, when the fucking song got heavy, he rocked out as well. Absolutely superb, showing those different strengths he's got in his voice. Fuck it, this is my favourite song from the three I've heard so far for this album. What a brilliant sort of uplifting chorus as well. I love the way it sort of led into that chorus. It sort of didn't give you any indication of how fucking good it was going to be. The song was brilliant anyway, but then the chorus just hit me. Absolutely superb. That guitaring I can hear is so intricate, and the production on this album is fucking fantastic because you can hear every little picky note. It's like George Lynch at his best, under lock and key George Lynch era. That's what this sounds like, but even more beefed up with that modern production. What a fantastic song. I fucking love this. Let's go for the rest, shall we? I can't wait. Fucking blown away, man. What an absolutely brilliant song. That solo, I had to put my head in my hands, honestly. I was just fucking blown away. I've mentioned some brilliant guitarists already. George Lynch, that reminded me of George Lynch. Vito Bratta, White Lion, I would say. Shades of that going on in that song. What an amazing song. What a brilliant song. And what I'm more excited about is that's coming out on February 11th. I should have that sent to me by Frontiers in maybe the end of this week. So I am just so fucking excited. As if last year wasn't good enough for music. Look at this year, man. Scorpions, Girish and the Chronicles, Queensryche, most probably. This year is gonna be absolutely fucking massive for music. What an amazing song. Hail to the heroes, Girish and the Chronicles. Please let me know what you think of this in the comments below. I'll see you next time.